Welcome to our Fardan game, bro.
I would like to thank Fardan Exchange for having this great initiative with the Filipino community here in Dubai.
To be here in the Kabayan League in the Dubai sports world, it's an honor and it's a pleasure to meet the community. And a special thanks to Fardan Exchange.
We are delighted to support Fardan Basketball League for its first edition. Today we have more than 350 players from the Filipino community. We would like to thank Dubai Sport Board.
Today we are super proud and excited to have wrapped up the first Fardan Exchange Kabayan Basketball League. I'd like to thank all the players and we look forward to having you next year with us.